In this video, I will show you how you can enable or disable the USB access of any iPad. Now to do that, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on Privacy and Security. Now on this page, just scroll down and you will find the option for wired accessories. Now just tap on it and over here you will be able to enable or disable the access to the USB of your iPad. Now if you select Always Allow, you will enable the USB access of your iPad even when your iPad is locked. After that, you have the option for automatically allow when unlocked, and in this mode, the USB access of your iPad will only be enabled when your iPad is unlocked. After that, you have the option for ask for new accessories, and in this mode, your iPad will only ask the permission for the USB access when you're connecting a new accessory to your iPad. And finally, you have the option for always ask. And in this mode, your iPad will always ask for the permission when you connect an accessory to your iPad. But if you have an older iPad, this option might not be available over here. So in that case, just go to Touch ID and Passcode, then to the pin of the lock screen of your iPad. Now on this page, just scroll down and you will find the option for Allow Access when locked. Over here, you might find the option for Accessories or Allow Accessories. Now if you want to enable the access for the accessories, just enable the toggle for accessories over here. And if you want to restrict or disable the USB access of your iPad, just disable the toggle for accessories over here. And this is how you can enable or disable the USB access of your iPad. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.